Welcome back to Autoscope. The 2026 Rolls Royce Motorhome is likely to be an ultra-luxury and premium recreational vehicle RV or motorhome, bringing Rolls-Royce's luxury standards to the concept of road travel. Outside, iconic design, the iconic Spirit of Ecstasy-adorned Pantheon grille, state-of-the-art LED headlamps, and elegant and commanding body proportions will undoubtedly continue to be characteristics of the Rolls-Royce brand. Superior materials, high-end paint jobs, a great deal of personalization, and the use of superior materials, such handcrafted aluminum for the body. Advanced features, it may have modern conveniences like automatic doors, hidden electric steps, and possibly a hydraulically retractable rear deck for admiring the views. Inside, Unrivaled Luxury, the interior will be the main attraction, with the finest materials such as hand-stitched premium leather, rare woods with precise accents, and exquisite metal finishes. Fully equipped, 5-star hotel amenities are expected, including a gourmet kitchen fully equipped with top-tier appliances, a king-size bed and an extravagant bedroom that might have a star-studded ceiling. Rolls-Royce's signature starlight headliner, a spa bathroom with luxurious materials like marble, and a comfortable living area with a state-of-the-art entertainment system. Cutting-edge technology, smart technology, such as voice control systems, high-resolution OLED screens, lightning-fast internet access, and advanced security systems will most likely be included. Unlimited personalization, like all Rolls-Royce products. The interior will be extremely configurable, allowing customers to change every element to their liking. Performance and technology strong. Engine, designed to make driving smooth and effortless, it is probably powered by a Rolls-Royce engine that is both powerful and smooth, possibly a twin-turbocharged V12.